Monsoon in India is the perfect time for a hot cup of chai. But for our pets, it is exactly the time where skin infections thrive the most. But the funny part is that most of the pet parents don't even realize all of this until their cat is scratching all over their body non-stop, their paws are literally burning, or they are developing hot spots. Now, the actual truth is that skin infections do not just develop overnight. They always leave small warning signs before they actually become a trip to the vet. The first thing to notice is trapped moisture. Basically, after a rainy walk or even when it's just a damp day when it's raining a lot outside, you need to check because water gets trapped under their armpits, under their tail, in the skin folds or the muscle folds or inside their ears. So, if you smell something which is like a yeast or a fungus type smell, basically that smells like old popcorn, then you need to be very careful because that is not just dog smell. That may be the first warning sign that yeast or fungus is growing. Next up, check for slight changes in their body or their skin. Basically, slight pinkness or redness or darkening in their belly, between their toes or under their paws, because these can be early warning signs. And if your pet suddenly starts licking or chewing their paws after coming back from outside, then that may be an actual sign not of grooming, rather of trying to soothe an itch that is being caused by moisture or irritation. You may also notice them rubbing their ears, scratching against furniture, or becoming restless for no reason. These small behaviors are very easy to dismiss, but actually, during the monsoon season, these are your pet's way of telling you that something is not right. Now, the good part is that all of these things are completely preventable. Basically, whenever your pet is coming from outside after a rainy walk, then make sure to dry them thoroughly. Basically, using a clean towel or maybe using a hair dryer to just reach those parts and dry them up from moisture, which are very hard to reach normally. Catching all these tiny signs before they become very serious can save your pet from weeks of discomfort, a cone around their neck, or expensive medications. And during the monsoon season, just a few minutes of checking your pet and making them dry all through can save you from all of this. So make sure to follow our page Bear House for more such educational and important pet care and wellness content. And I hope you liked the video. Make sure to like, share, and comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. And I'll see you in the next video.